Hello everyone, thanks for your support. At last we reached 1,000 subscribers and counting. Today, as requested, I will show you how to assemble the lavender. In my previous tutorial, I noticed that YouTube took down my audio, so I will just show you a recap of that tutorial and then I will show you how to assemble. It's very simple, so keep watching. I'll just do this and finish the lavender. So I have now 100 chain. I will insert it in the second chain, slip stitch, then slip stitch again. In the third chain, then chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch and then slip stitch in the next, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch and then slip stitch in the next stitch. I will be doing this 20 times, so chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, slip stitch in the next. So continue doing that until you have 20 of this chain 2. Then I will show you how to increase. This will be my last chain 2. I will now increase. So slip stitch. Now when you increase, just increase the counting of your chain. So I will go 3 chain, insert in the same stitch and then insert in the next. Again, chain 3, one, two, 3. So the next stitches, since you have 100 chain, so you have 20 chain 2, 20 chain 3, 20 chain 4 and 20 chain 5, then 20 chain 6, if I make sense. So I'm just saying how you increase. That's all you increase, the counting of this chain here. 2, 3. So I will do this 20 times and then I will continue another 20 of chain 4. I will show you later when I finish all this chain here or stitches why you need to increase the counting. So I will make more sense to you than just saying it. So see you after. I'm almost done, guys, so please leave a long tail. That's it. And chain 1, then cut this yarn. This is how it looks like after. So time to assemble. So I'm using green for the stem, a stick. You don't need a wire because you don't need to bend the lavender. They're all straight. And then glue, of course, to attach. So let's start. So don't go against, it would be hard for you to do that. So you see, I'm just putting the glue and then go with the flow. I'll see you when I finish this. So here comes the stem. That's why I told you to leave a long tail so you can hold it here. And also, I suggest you use a fabric glue so your project will be nice than a glue gun. I don't recommend the glue gun, but if that's the only glue you have, then why not use it? I will just cover this part here where you can see the wood or the stick, and then just like that. That's simple. So I hope this helps you with your project, and please do let me know what you want to know, or you want me to make a tutorial. I might be making the tutorial for the leaf of the tulip. So anyway, that's it. When the fabric glue comes dry, it won't be visible. I mean, those white stuff, it won't be visible because they will be transparent. So your project will still be clean and not look messy. So trust the process and you will have a nice lavender. See you next tutorial. Thank you once again.